Hi, Mary Jo.
Hi, Mary Jo.
Hi, thank you so much for speaking to Family First.
We're looking
Happy
forward
to be
to
here.
it.
Absolutely. So I know we're starting to get into the beginning of flu season, and so people are starting to get some sniffles and things like that. Now, what exactly are you supposed to do if you feel like you're getting those symptoms? And then as like a mom or somebody that has kids around, what do we do to sort of prevent our kids from getting it, or do we confront someone that has symptoms? How do we handle these things?
Well, let's take two parts to this. I'm going to talk a little bit about flu prevention first, and then Anna will cover some of the things that we can do when we think we have flu. So CDC recommends a take 3 approach to influenza prevention. The first thing, everybody 6 months of age and older should get influenza vaccine every year. That's the most important preventive measure. And it's not too late to get it now. Even though flu is ramping up across the U.S. earlier than usual, get your flu vaccine now. The second take point is to take personal protective measures. And that means frequent hand washing, coughing into your elbow, staying home if you're sick, those types of things. They're all important to stay well and to keep others from getting sick. And the third take 3 point is to take prescription antiviral medications if your doctor prescribes them. If you feel like you're getting the flu, call your doctor. There may be things that you can do, including prescription antiviral medication, that will help you feel better faster.
Awesome. Good
So
to know that you can kind of help.
Anna's going to tell us a little bit about some of the measures that you can do as well to help with your kids.
Absolutely. You know, when it comes to, some of those preventative measures that Dr. Ream was talking about, this is great practice for children